Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our lab built LookML objects in Looker, which is going to be a challenge lab. Okay, so simply start the lab, click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. After that, we need to first of all copy this Looker username. This time we will be working in the Looker, so copy it. Right click upon open Looker and open it in incognito window only. Incognito window में ही open करना है, इस बात का ध्यान रखेंगे. And email ID would be we have to paste it as the username. जो हमने username copy किया था, वही हम email की तरह use करेंगे. So paste it here. Now for the password, simply come back to here and copy this password. This is the password, so copy it by clicking on the copy button. Come back to here, paste the password and click on login. And we get logged in into the Looker dashboard. Okay, so wait for it to get logged in. So once our Looker dashboard get ready and updated, then we have to go to the desktop, and from there we will select the qwiklabs e-commerce, and then we have to wait for this to get loaded, and we will create some .view files here. Okay, so wait for it to get load. So once your e-commerce dashboard is loaded, all you need to do is first of all go to the lab, go to the description of this video, and in the description you will find the link of this GitHub file. Okay, so this GitHub file contains all the required code to complete this lab. So first of all you need to do is copy this name, file name. You have to create a new file with this name. So copy the file name from here. Come back to here. Right click upon this views, or just try to expand it, or see why we are not able to. Okay, so it's a read only. So you have to remove this and switch it to the editor for developer mode. So let's come back to the dashboard again. And I guess we have to open the developer mode first. So switch the developer mode from the bottom left corner. And once it's enabled, again go to the develop, go to the QuickLabs e-commerce. Now you would be able to edit the file. Yes. So now you are getting a three dots behind the views. So you need to click on this and you have to create a new view file. So click on create view. Give the name that we just copy. Click on create button. Now it will create a new view file for us. So all you need to do is come back to the lab, copy this whole code by clicking on this copy button, copy the first query by clicking on this copy button, come back to here, select this all and paste the query that we just copied. Okay, so paste it here, click on save changes. Once you are done with this, come back to here, scroll down a little bit and you will see we have to create a second file with the name user underscore details. So copy it again, come back to here, same process, click on the three dots behind the views and create a view file. Okay, paste the name, click on create. It will open the view file with the user underscore detail name. Come back to the lab, copy this query by clicking on this copy button. Come back to here, select all, paste the query, click on save changes, and we would be done with this file. So come back to here, scroll down. After that, what we need to do, we have to copy and paste the following in the training e-commerce portal. What we have to copy and paste? So for that, simply come back to here. So we have to first of all open the models and training underscore e-commerce under it, and we have to replace this files. Come back to here and copy this query by clicking on this copy button. हमें ये वाली जो query है copy कर लेनी है. So click on this copy to copy it. Come back to here, select all, paste it. Again, we are working under the models and training underscore e-commerce. Now, before saving it, we have to scroll up and go to the line number 21. We have to change the value here. So to change it, we have to come back to the lab. Where does our lab goes to? Let me check. Yes. So scroll down to the task number 3 from the right panel, and we would see the values here. The dollar 466. I guess this should be the value. Let me check. Yes, we have to copy this filter underscore one value, that is dollar 466. So copy it very carefully. Only copy the number 466. Okay, don't copy any extra thing. Just copy the number 466. Come back to here and remove this value underscore one. Remove it. Paste the new value that we copied. Now same for the line number 33. We have to remove this value underscore 22. Remove it. Come back to the lab. We have to fetch the second value. So scroll down to the filter hashtag 3 and copy this next value, that is 55. So copy it. Come back to here. Paste it here. And we can now click on the save change. Click on the save changes. Wait for it to get loaded. Now we have to validate the LookML. So click on this validate LookML. It will take around 1 minute to validation. Once the validation is complete, we have to commit the changes we made. Okay, so wait for it. Now click on commit, change and push. We have to give a message here. So simply type commit and click on commit. Okay, now wait for it to push. Okay, after that we can simply deploy it to the production. So deploy it. Once it deployed, simply come back to the lab and we will get the green tick for the task number 1. So scroll down. Yes. Click on check my progress and you will get the green tick for here. And you can see our assessment is completed. Same we will do for the task number 2. Okay. So click on check my progress and you will get the green tick for the task number 2 as well. So scroll down to task number 3. Click on check my progress and hopefully you will get the green tick in this as well. Click on this one. Yes, you get the green tick here. Now come to the last task, task number 4. We have to perform this. हमने अभी सिर्फ task number 30 तक किया, अब हम task number 4 पे jump करेंगे. The task number 4 would be very easy. Simply, first of all, go to the GitHub file that I provided and scroll down to the very last query, this one. Here all we need to do is, again we will edit the training underscore e-commerce model, but simply by clicking on this copy button we will copy the whole query. हम पहले copy button पे click करके query को copy कर लेंगे. We will come back to the dashboard. Make sure you are under the training underscore e-commerce file. आपको इस dot model file के अंदर होना है. Select the whole file, remove it, paste the new query that we just copied. Click on the save changes. Click on validate LookML. Click on it again. I guess yes, we have to make a certain changes, that is num of hours. For that, simply come back to the lab, open the lab, and under the task number 4, you will see the hours given to you. So you have to copy the hours. It's 3 in my case, so you have to copy it. Come back to here, remove this num, paste it, click on save changes. Now we can validate the LookML. Click on commit changes and push. Give the message, commit, click on commit, click on deploy to production. Now we are done with the task number 4 as well. So we will click on the check my progress and we will get the green tick in this task as well. Okay, so let's see what's the error. So no worries, simply it's happening because the process is happening in the back end. अभी पीछे हमने जो task number 4 अभी complete किया वो back end में उसकी process चल रही है. That's why this task number 4 will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get updated. You have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Again click on check my progress and you will get the green tick for sure. अगर आपने मेरे को पूरा starting से लेके follow तक किया है end तक, then you will definitely get the green tick for the check my progress at the task number 4 as well. Just आपको 2 से 3 मिनट wait करना है and again check my progress पे click करना है, आपको green tick मिल जाएगा. With this, our lab is completed. We can click on the add lab button. Click on add lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give and click on submit. Come back to main page to verify, and that's it. We are done with this. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.